Hey, what's going on you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new, on this channel we do a lot of what's in my wallet videos. This right here is a $13.99 wallet I got off of Amazon. Normally I use this wallet right here. This is the pocket organizer, and like I said, I do a what's in my wallet video maybe every month or so. I don't really like endorsing a brand name designer wallet because I know a lot of people don't want to spend that type of money. I did a ton of research on Amazon, and guys, this is Amazon's choice right here. This is the wallet that I actually came across. Like I said, it's $13.99, and I've actually been using this wallet for a few weeks. I took it on vacation with me. I took it to the bank, and I had no shame the past few days because I've been whipping it out on the bank table, just putting it out there and trying to see what people say about it, if they notice anything. And this is going to be really interesting. So I hope you guys stay till the end of the video because I'm going to be sharing my stories that I had about this wallet. But normally in our what's in my wallet videos, we talk about what's in it. So I'm literally going to be talking to you guys about what I carried around here the past few weeks, what cards I've actually been using, and what else I got in this wallet. Now, the pocket organizer, like I said, is definitely a great wallet, but it's really getting a lot of age. The color's going on this, and you know, I just wanted to try something new, you guys. This wallet right here has really shaken me up because it is almost like 1/10 of the price of this wallet right here. So it's definitely an amazing wallet, and so far it's been able to carry all my cards. I've been able to use it without a problem, and frankly, this actually gets a little it gets a little bulky, especially if you add your business cards, your license, your ID, your cash, and then your cards. It starts bulking up a lot. A benefit about this card holder right now, the size doesn't really change, and I actually have a lot of cards in here, some cash in here. So let's get into it right away and start talking about the cards that I've been using for this month. So as you guys can see, the first card I have on here is the gold card. The gold card is my daily driver, you guys. There's no doubt about it. Look at it catching the light. This is one of my favorite cards, and this has been giving me all the benefits that I've needed. I just eat out, I go to the grocery store, and every now and then I'll buy stuff on Amazon, but I don't really spend too much money. Now, the card that I had before this, and in my previous What's in My Wallet videos, and I'll link that somewhere over here that you guys can find, I was actually using this card. This is the American Express Marriott Bonvoy business card. And the reason why this was my main card in my last videos was because I was trying to get the welcome bonus for this. Now, the promotion during that time was 100,000 points. If I spend $5,000 in 3 months, I was able to hit that welcome bonus. I just got the 100,000 points. I put that on my Instagram story. And if you guys have not yet followed me on Instagram, make sure you guys do because I put a lot of content on there as well. But that is a card that's in my wallet, not because I use it a lot right now, but just because I was hitting that welcome bonus and it's just been sitting in my wallet. So other than the gold card, let's talk about two other cards I have in my wallet. So this is related to some other related videos that I just recently put up, but right here I have my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. This card actually still works, which is surprising because I thought it would get canceled. I have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which I just downgraded, so I didn't have to pay a $95 annual fee. They literally sent me a $95 credit onto my account because I changed this card out for the card I have in here now. So this is the Chase Sapphire card. This is the Chase Sapphire Preferred's little brother. I made an in-depth video and an unboxing video on this, so if you guys want to check it out, feel free to do that. But those are the cards that I have in my wallet. So far I'm using the gold and I'm using the Chase Sapphire card. If I need to purchase anything online, I'll show you what card I have. So guys, normally if I need to purchase anything online, this is the card that I go with. This is the Chase Inc. Business Preferred card. This is one of my favorite business cards, and this actually kind of replaces my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. It gives me access to the portal and actually gives me a lot of travel benefits as well too. It only has that $95 annual fee, but with business credit cards, because you guys get such a higher credit limit and because it's separated from your personal score, this is really what I like to use for those big purchases. Now, what you guys can do if you really want to maximize your points is you guys could go to a Office Depot or another office store that's in that category and get extra points for that. Get gift cards from that store, go to Best Buy or something, and you could really maximize your points. I'm actually thinking about upgrading my old MacBook Pro. This is 2015 i5. I'm looking to upgrade that over to like the i7 or the new 2019 i9 MacBook Pro, and if I do that, I might do that way just so I can maximize a point. just so I can maximize those points and just take advantage of tax deductions and write-offs. But one thing that I have to keep in mind is that when you guys use gift cards to purchase these computers and these really expensive items, you lose something called purchase protection. Now, a ton of cards with American Express and Chase, my two favorite companies, they actually provide you purchase protection. So if I break my computer, if someone steals my computer, or if anything happens to it, you're covered up to a certain point. If you guys purchase this with gift cards just to get an extra, 50 or $100 in terms of cashback rewards, I don't know if that's necessarily worth it, in my opinion. For me personally, I'd rather use a card that I'm trying to hit a welcome bonus with that does provide purchase protection for those bigger purchases coming up. So this is another card that I keep on me. It's just one of my backup cards that I like to buy things online. Now, I mentioned earlier that I like to buy things a lot on Amazon, so people ask me a lot, what do you use when you're trying to buy things off Amazon? I actually use this card right here. This is the American Express Amazon Business Prime card. This is one of my favorite cards. Let me get rid of that. This is actually one of my favorite cards right here, and it gives you 5% back. Or say you're looking to buy like a business expense, maybe you need to buy some keyboards, maybe you need to buy a printer. It gives you a 3-month payment plan, so instead of getting that 5% back with this card, you have the option to pay it off in 3 months with no interest at all. So I feel like that's a very cool perk. I haven't seen too many credit cards that offer that other than like the introductory 0% APR offer, but the Business Prime card is definitely a unique card. I don't see any YouTubers really talking about it. Probably the reason why is there's no affiliate or referral links for it. So if you guys sign up for it, there's probably no links that I have, but I do recommend this card if you're trying to buy things off Amazon or if you buy things on Amazon frequently. It's a beautiful card. It's a vertical metal card and I highly recommend it. There's no welcome bonus that you actually have to hit for this card, so as soon as you apply, they actually give you a gift card. During the time when I applied for it, it was like $100 or $125. I've seen a promotion where they give like $150 or in the past for this card, so you don't have to do any type of spend. They'll just give you a free gift card, and because this is a business card, it doesn't affect your 524 in any way, but it does affect the American Express 5 slot. So if you have too many American Express cards, you're just gonna get auto declined. So in the future, maybe if you're running out of slots, you could just close this card and get another card that you're looking to get. Now, those were the credit cards in this little card holder, you guys, and I want to focus a little bit on the compartment inside. Once I get this to focus, I have some cash in here, I have some business cards, and I usually carry my ID as well. So let's go into that. I want to show everything I literally carry in here. I have some cash right here. I'm not trying to flex. The only reason I have a 50 is just because whenever I go out to eat and I'm telling people, yo, let me get the points, they usually give me cash. That's why I have that. I have my business card right here that I ran out. So I'm gonna be posting another video. We went to the American Express event and we gave out so many business cards. I got a ton returned too. I'm gonna make a video on how you guys can go to networking events and have people approach you like crazy. So on top of that, you guys, I have the Costco membership card. I actually really like this because if anyone in your family has a Costco membership, they can add one authorized user to it, and basically if you go in there, they'll print you a membership out. They give you like a little gold star. I want to show you guys my photo because I look so funny, you guys. Look at that, man. AirPods in and everything, man. So that was a rough day for me, but basically the reason why I have that card is Costco will give you the best gas price most likely. On top of that, because I'm in the market for a new vehicle right now, I use Costco and I used American Express's auto program. So basically what that is if you're trying to get a car but you're not trying to worry about all the BS with dealerships and you really want the best price, look into Costco Auto and look into American Express Auto. Basically they are partnered with True Cars, and that means they bring car buyers over to these dealerships, but in exchange they're like, you can't mess with any of our members, give them the best price you can. We don't want to worry about like the negotiating and doing all that and going back and forth. Give them the best price. So I signed up for that with American Express and Costco. They both gave me the same quote on a vehicle that I'm looking at, and it was at like 42K, and these guys were fighting me over for 46K. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get this vehicle, you guys, because like I said, we know all the things about having a liability. You guys probably know this as well too, just vehicles are a liability, you guys. They're not an asset, and at this age what I should be doing is really reinvesting into my business. If I can get a killer deal on this car that I've been looking at for a couple years now, I might pull the trigger on it, but don't count on it. All right, I'm not promising anything. I'm just saying that because a lot of people don't know about those programs. Maybe you're interested in getting a car in the future. Look into the Costco and look into the American Express car buying service. It's so great, you guys. I really love it, and that's one of the benefits that I have that I wish I knew about like a year ago or 2 years ago, so I could have told my parents about it too. Definitely a great benefit. Take advantage of that. Now, on top of that, guys, I have my insurance card. A lot of people are gonna have that. I have my Maryland driver's license ID. This is pretty funny because I never look good in any of these photos. In this one, I just look super angry. What happened was when I took this photo at the DMV, I had my glasses on, but they're like, you can't have your glasses on. And if you guys didn't know, I have like a negative 6.0 vision because I'm always working on the computer all day. My vision is shot. So when they took this photo, yeah, so in this photo, I'm actually cross-eyed. I'm not even like looking at the camera. I'm kind of looking past it just because I couldn't see anything. The way the camera looked like 2 seconds ago, that's how it looks like for me when I take out my glasses or my contacts. So that's what I really have in this wallet, you guys. Definitely a ton of space, and would I recommend this to you guys? Hell yeah, guys. $13.99 doesn't cost that much. You could rotate this in with whatever wallet you have now, and it's literally the best affordable, most reliable wallet that I've had so far. I don't know how it's gonna hold up in terms of quality over the next few months or even years, but it feels good, you guys. I mean, I looked at the stitching for it. I looked at the details about it. It really looks like a premium designer wallet, and they have their own logo stamped in there just like Louis does. So it's definitely a wallet that I recommend to you guys. And if you guys want this wallet, make sure you guys use the link in my description. I get a small commission. I think I'll make like 20 cents off each wallet because Amazon's referral program is absolute trash. So if you guys add different items to your cart while you're buying this, then that actually helps me get a bigger referral. So that's all there, you guys. That really is my wallet so far. I definitely transitioned, but I'm happy I didn't. And this is actually going to be my daily drive for the rest of the month because I really do enjoy using it. One of the stories I wanted to share with you guys though, when I put this out at the bank, the guy thought this was like a genuine like designer wallet. I was like, yo, that's pretty funny. So if you're watching this, man, I told him about my channel. Shout out to you, Keith, you know what I'm saying? I took this to New Jersey, Atlantic City as well, turned some heads as well too. You know, you just plop that John down, the waiter sees it. A lot of people know the design, but they're not gonna squint in one of the boxes for the Louis Vuitton logo. A lot of people really can't tell. If you guys are trying to flex on the low key, if you are someone interested in designer wallets but you just never want to pull the trigger on it, I recommend this, you guys. You really can't go wrong with it. It's a beautiful wallet. It's been holding up great for me, and I think this is something you guys should look into as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, guys, if you're watching this right now, few things. Please like the video, okay? I really want you guys to like the video so my channel can be seen. I'm about to hit 10,000 subs, maybe in a little bit. We're at 9,200 right now, and the channel just continues to grow. The support is amazing. Most of you guys are already Facebook group members, but if you're not a Facebook group member, make sure you guys check it out because we literally just drop tons of free knowledge in there, and we've built a community, and we're looking to have meetups, and we're doing so many things on top of everything. So Facebook group is a great way to stay connected. On top of that, you guys, you can add me on Instagram, you can add me on LinkedIn or whatever you guys want because I get messages from LinkedIn sometimes too, which is pretty cool. Make sure you drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this wallet. Would you get it? Would you not get it? What do you think? I want to hear your thoughts. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.「見ていたはずの夢はいつも思い出せない」そういうことが時々ある。